Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to set up Vulnhub. Firstly, go to ProMax Web UI and click Create VM. Under the OS tab, select Do Not Use My Media since you'll use a pre-built disk. Now, before booting the VM, go to the hardware section of your new VM and detach the existing hard disk. After that, you'll see it listed as Unused Disk. Just remove the unused disk entirely. Use the following command in the ProMax shell, replace 115 with your VM ID and these with your downloaded Vulnhub vmdk file and local LVM with your desired storage location. Now go back to the VM's hardware tab in the GUI and click Add then hard disk. Use bus device and choose the imported disk under Unused Disk. Once added, you should see it listed as SATA 0. Still in the hardware tab, click Options then Boot Order. Move the SATA 0 disk to the top of the list to boot from it. Now power the VM and if everything is set up correctly, you'll see the login screen of your Vulnhub machine. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.